Lumia is, of course, something special because in this printer we have on board our new technology, the hybrid photosynthesis technology, the HPS light engine, able to create something really unique.
The problem that every company seems to be addressing is the layer separation technology and increased speeds, print speeds of the technology, right? But the light source seemed to have been neglected for quite a while now. No one has looked at a laser or looked at a DLP or LCD and said, okay, the laser is cool, it is accurate, it offers good surface quality, but it is extremely slow. On the other hand, the DLP is extremely fast, but the DLP offers very poor surface quality and also doesn't offer the accuracy like a laser.
We are combining together two different technologies to achieve the best in speed and surface quality and details and accuracy at the same time.
Our HPS technology, which stands for hybrid photosynthesis, it's a dual light source system, combines laser and DLP, actually coalesces the energy from the two light sources and brings them out as one light source. The effects of this technology is that we are able to offer a significantly larger print area.
249 millimeters in X and 140 millimeters in Y with the same speed or better than a standard DLP printer, but of course with the same accuracy of an S-layer of a laser printer thanks to our HPS technology inside.
Our two-layer technology really enables us to print a cross-section like this and a large part like this. If you feel this part, this is about 1 kilogram in weight. So it's very rare for a bottom-up photopolymer 3D printer to print a large geometry like this. And this is a combination of our HPS and our two-layer technologies that we're able to print a part like this. You can see the fine pore structure here, right? So this is also a result of the fine resolution offered by the HPS technology. Now, a DLP at 25 microns can possibly do this, but the DLP doesn't offer the same large print area that we are offering at 25 microns.
We're the only company to offer HPS technology, hybrid photosynthesis, and we're also the only company to offer true layer technology. So basically two novel technologies that are both in our Lumia X1 printer that allow customers to take full advantage of photopolymerization technologies. In our industry, it's not very frequent that a true innovative product comes to market. And I truly believe, through my 13 years of experience in this industry, that this is an absolute innovative product in the true meaning of the word.